The BRC 4022 Armada carpet extractor. The Armada has a 6-gallon solution tank, a 6-gallon recovery tank, and a 16-inch cleaning path. It has a 70 psi pump and 120 inches of water lift for excellent recovery. The most unique thing about the Armada is that it's 100% productive because the head of the Armada rotates 200 degrees to either direction. With a conventional extractor, you're constantly repositioning the unit. You're only actually cleaning when you're going backwards. With the Armada, you're 100% productive and you're always cleaning. Let's begin our overview of the Armada by taking a look at the components of the system. We'll start with the steering controls. On the steering control, you'll find 3 functions. First is your water on-off switch. The next function on the steering control is the reverse button. The reverse button needs to be held in place to operate the machine in reverse. This is helpful if you're maneuvering into and out of a corner. It's also helpful if you need to add some agitation to a spot where you may want to scrub over and then back again, just to make sure you get a little bit of extra agitation. Next, let's take a look at the paddle that controls the operation underneath the steering wheel. As with all Karcher equipment, anything that's yellow is a daily operator touch point. So the operator needs to be trained on the use of that. So by simply grabbing and depressing this paddle, the machine operates. Next, let's take a look at the solution recovery tanks on the Armada. The Armada has a 6-gallon recovery and a 6-gallon solution tank. The solution tank is designed to be filled at the front and drained in the back bottom of the machine. The recovery tank has a lid that comes off and is designed to be lifted away from the machine to be thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. Next, let's take a look at the dial that controls all the functions on the Armada. This yellow dial is actually called the Karcher Easy Dial. This is one of the systems you'll find on Karcher equipment. The Easy Dial is designed so that it uses pictograms to simplify training. There are 6 modes on the Easy Dial of the Armada. The first mode is brush only. The second mode is your encapsulation mode. In this mode, the solution flows only out of the middle white jet and it flows at 1/10 of a gallon per minute. In this mode, you can fill your tank with encapsulation chemical and actually encapsulate for 1 hour before refilling. This will do 9,700 square feet of production. The next mode on the Easy Dial is our eco-efficiency extraction mode. Karcher has undertaken an effort on every piece of equipment to find that area where you get the maximum clean with the minimum amount of resources. That area is the eco-efficiency area. So what they've done with this machine is they reduce the vacuum by about 30% and reduce the water and solution flow by about 30%. So what it means for you is longer run time before you have to dump and fill and better use of detergents and water. The next mode is our full deep extraction mode. This mode allows you to deep clean your carpets. The next mode is vacuum only. And finally, the off-aisle cleaning mode. In this mode, you can hook up an upholstery tool or a small wand to the Armada and use it to clean tight areas or clean vertical surfaces. Next, let's take a look at the business end of the Armada unit, the cleaning head. At the front of the cleaning head, you'll find 3 jets. The white jet in the middle is used for encapsulation. When you're in any of the extraction modes, all 3 jets will spray. The brush is easy to remove. Simply depress the end and the brush pops right out. The debris tray behind the brush will pick up particulate coming out of the carpet, so the tray needs to be cleaned on a regular basis. The vacuum shoe is designed to be easy to maintain. Simply remove the hose, release the clips, and the vac shoe frees from the cleaning deck. To prepare your Armada for use, you'll need to fill the solution tank. Next, check the cord. Make sure that the ground plug is intact and that there are no cuts or exposed wires on the cord. Plug into a grounded outlet and work away from the outlet in the room you're cleaning. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Armada carpet extractor.